Now we are going to the parking lot behind my house to test out some really exciting stuff. I almost peed my pants when I found out. So maybe that's something related to turning 50, I don't know. But I was super excited when I found out that after DJI released the SDK for the Mavic Mini, there's actually a beta version of Litchi for Android that will enable us to do stuff we didn't even think was possible. So let's head down to the parking lot and get this tested. Do you like my content? If you do, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, then feel free to press the dislike button twice. While you're down there, then also consider subscribing for our weekly tips, tests and tutorials. That would be very appreciated. I actually paid for the iOS version of the Litchi app at some point, and I was the other day going in there to check out if it's actually supporting the Mavic Mini, but I didn't see that it was doing that. But then I stumbled across a post somewhere on the interweb that showed me that actually the Android version in the beta state were capable of supporting the Mavic Mini. And knowing from as a past user of Litchi, I actually found out that or I actually know that you can do a lot of interesting stuff. So I was pretty excited to figure out if the follow me mode is actually supported by the Mavic Mini. So this is what we are going to try today. Just a fast little test to see what's possible. So let's grab the drone and see what happens. There's a slight chance that somebody will show up and complain, because it is afternoon and people are getting home from work and they want to sit in the garden and enjoy everything. So this will be a very, very super fast test. And you know what? The crazy part is that I had to pay for the app one more time. So I paid additional $25 to get the Android version. So that is a bit of a bummer. But you gotta do what you gotta do to show you the stuff. So let's just see what we can do here. Then we need to go to the Litchi app. We need to fire up the remote, of course. Otherwise, we will not be able to do this. And what we see here is, does it connect? Does it connect? Does it? Oh, then it pops up a menu. Okay, I want Litchi. Oh, the Litchi app is connected to the Mavic Mini. And what that means is that you will get all the crazy functionality that the Litchi has been offering. And you get a chance to calibrate the compass. Damn it. I'm getting dizzy. Shit, I got dizzy. So now that is done, so we will kill that one off. I'm not a very advanced Litchi user, so maybe you can calibrate the compass within the Litchi app, but I decided to jump back to the DJI Fly app, do the compass calibration and go back to the Litchi app and take it from there. So now the compass is calibrated. Let's just check here if we have everything we want. We want 2.7K, that's nice, that's what we want. We don't want that, we don't care about that. We want white balance, it is sunny. Picture size, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Oh, there's so many settings here, it's so nice. With these third-party softwares. So it's also a contrast setting. Okay, but we leave that for another tutorial. I think that will do for what we are planning to do right now. So let's see how we make this go away. Like that. Okay, so let's see if we can actually make it fly. Let's take off. It is possible to fly it, so that's nice. Let's just record a little video. So now we are basically flying the drone using the Litchi app. So that's pretty nice. So let's just see if we can test out the tracking functionality. You see, there's a lot of stuff to pick from here, but it is the tracking that is interesting. I'm not sure that I'm getting why it's not working. The connection is not really solid. It's a little bit glitchy. So let's... But it's also called Litchi, so maybe that's why. Litchi glitchy. This is a very, very old Redmi, Xiaomi Redmi phone. And it is really laggy. So it's not that good. And maybe it's because I have the screen recorder running in the background that it doesn't respond that well. So it needs a little bit more exercise before I'm completely happy with it. But it's kind of nice to see all this array of functionality that you're not getting with the normal DJI Fly app. So it is actually following it. The Mavic Mini is actually following me, as you saw on the video. There's no doubt this is a beta version. It was not happening very smooth, so it will be interesting to see the footage once I load it into the computer, how smooth it actually was. But it's a great starting point that you actually start to have tracking capabilities with your Mavic Mini, meaning that you can start to do some of the stuff that you could only do with the more expensive drones. How cool is that? And I should probably have tried it out. It would probably be a lot better than what I just showed you here by messing around with some of the settings that you see under this tab here. This will most likely be more smooth than what I actually showed you. But and I could have prepared a little bit better before recording this video, but I was so excited to show you this, so I thought I would just jump out and do this video right away. So what do you think about the Litchi app? Just look at all the functions that you have here. And you also have access to waypoints and all sorts of other stuff. I'm not going to try this out in this video, but if you are interested in me playing around with the Litchi app in relation to the Mavic Mini, this would be a good time to let me know in the comment below. Also, I want to do a shout out to Peterson Tech that has decided to become a Tech Knight by joining my channel membership. He and I are having some good discussions on the Discord server that you will get access to if you sign up as a Tech Knight. There is a link in the description below if you decide to become a Tech Knight too. This is completely voluntarily, but I promise you this will be fun. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. And maybe PayPal me $25 that I had to spend on the app to show you the functionality. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.